Ah! Intoxication! Intoxication! A drink can be an escape for you. With just 2 shots, you will brand new! Oh! Oh! One little drink of alcohol creation is at the heart of drunkenation. Right at the stop of every night that's new. One little drink made up for you. Holler! So glad you could stumble along. I'm the drunk finder, bitch. Oh, seekers, what delightful concoctions these will make. I love these nights I forget. Searching the clubs for heartache, beer, malt beverages, shit! Anything that starts intoxication. A Jaeger bomb! That's a fucking good one! Everything that I can consume can invoke amazing and marvelous drunken debauchery. And you never know what kind of fucked up shit you might get into. Here's the shit. 2 shots of vodka, loaded with shampoo and cranberry juice to your own accord. It'll knock you on your ass no matter what you drink. And now, fuck yeah! The Figment drink! A drink of intoxication!
Drunk finder, I'm just kidding.
Out to the no, you're right.
What? Yep.
I'm getting you Jaeger bombs all night.
Woo!
Look, Figment, my bitches are ready to roll out.
Can they get crunk too?
Of course, intoxication is an adventure for all of us.
You mean everyone can get wasted for kissing?
Bingo! Figment! And every tequila shot can lead even more. So many times we're pounding shitty drinks. And then, holy fuck! What a buzz!
How are we gonna mix Hypnotic?
Oh, we can combine it with pineapple juice and Sprite. And turn it into a drinking delight.
Look, a Smirnoff. I'll use that to chase with. Oh,
That's right, you little asshole.
holy fucking shit! Jello shots, martini, beers Vichetti, Cosmos, Stillwalkers, margaritas,
What about mixology?
a mixology? We'll need shot glasses, cube knives, fancy cups would be nice.
Slow the fuck down, Figment. The beverage maker is full.
It is. Let's break and see what that brings.
Hang on, motherfucker. First we gotta store the recipes in the drink pot.
Get pissed.
Well, the bathroom is never far away when you have this
Fuck
many.
everybody. I gotta go.
We've all had drinks. Intoxication. From the rather strong alcoholic creations. Right at the start of everything that's new. One little drink. Made up for you.
I'm so fucked up.
Intoxication, intoxication. A drink can be an escape for you. With just 2 shots, you'll feel brand new. Drink it, little fucker.
I hate you.
Mix rum and coke from the captain. The pasta soup, you won't feel the same again. Glow keeps lighting up your potion. The room will spin in slow motion. One frozen drink, you will be proud, can make you crazy and fucking loud. Round after round, I drink and feel no pain. By the end of the night, I'm totally insane. Hey, Figment.
Hey.
A costume piece
Like rubber gloves.
to make you happy.
I'm filled with love.
And some photos to capture your stupidity. Don't have a doubt.
Your drunken ability.
Oh. The half-gallon good, like cheap potion, allows us to drink a lot and make drunken commotion.
Where's my shoe?
You see it?
Drunken dancing when blood vision begins. Alcoholic reveals the drunk within.
Just another.
I'll suggest a walk. Who gives a fuck about the scrapes? Watch us stumble all over landscapes. Ah.
Did I have that bruise this morning?
Let's all toast to this deed. No drunken fighting shall proceed. Oh, Figment, you look green.
Oh, my eyes. What color are you?
You need to drink, no matter the case, or everyone will hate your face.
No.
Like they do you, you little fucker.
Fuck me. There's so many drinks I never thought about.
We can go to bar the karaoke, and smoky, and clubs and all the shit, and some with wet.
Bitches and hoes. I'm drinking all kinds of new things.
No shit! It's your key to staying young and hammered in our world.
Nah, I'm gonna fly away, literally.
I'm shooting you.
I've got wings. Intoxication. A drink can be an escape for you. With just 2 shots, you'll feel brand new. We've all
Imagination, intoxication.
I've had drinks, intoxication from rather strong alcoholic creations. All drinks can be are fucking boring like brand new. So those strongest drinks in me and you.
Oh, Figment, I'm gonna shoot you.
Where's the toilet?
Intoxication. Intoxication. A drink can be an escape for you. With just 2 shots, you feel brand new. Remember when we used to say imagination?
I don't even know what that is.
We've all had drinks, intoxications, from rather strong alcoholic creations. Those drinks can make our fucking life boring than a brand new.
Those strong ass
drinks in
in
me and
you.
Ass drinks? What
Oh
the
my
fuck is an
shit.
ass drink?
Intoxication.
I don't remember who you are anymore. I cut your wings off.
Are we still supposed to sing? I really have to sing.
Bleh!